Okay, so we got this situation which says the eccentricity of the hyperbola whose latus rectum is 8. So they have provided you what? Length of latus rectum. Length of LR is 8. Okay. Now, and conjugate axis is equal to half of the distance between the foci is. Okay. So conjugate axis and foci. Suppose that uh, like in this question they did not mention about the hyperbola. So what I'll do, I'll assume hyperbola to be horizontal. Okay, so suppose we got this situation. Suppose, now look at this. So they are saying that length of latus rectum is 8. So you know that latus rectum is what? A straight line perpendicular to axis of the parabola, ellipse or hyperbola, passing through the foci. You know that the foci is AE comma 0. Okay, so this is your foci. Suppose that equation of the curve is x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. You know that x coordinate will remain the same. So can I substitute in place of x AE? So we will have e square minus y square by b square equals to 1. So it is e square minus 1 equals to y square by b square. So y square will be equal to b square times e square minus 1. Okay, still we are not comfortable, so what we'll do, we will take help of relationship between AB and E. You know that it is horizontal hyperbola, so we will take help of horizontal ellipse. In horizontal ellipse, A is bigger, so A square will stay inside, B square will stay outside. Also you know that this relationship is valid for ellipse, not hyperbola. So what change we used to take? We used to replace B square with minus B square, correct? Can I send this minus 2 inside? So B square will be equal to A square E square minus 1. So in place of E square minus 1, can I write B square by A square? So we got B square by A square. So we got Y as plus minus B square by A. So according to us, length of latus rectum is 2B square by A. But according to them, length of latus rectum is 8. So can I say that B square is 4 times A? Is that okay? So we got our first relationship. Now let's proceed. And the conjugate axis, you know it is transverse axis, and conjugate axis is equal to the half of distance between the foci. So conjugate axis will be this thing, that is 2b will be half of distance between foci. So 2 times AE by 2. Correct? So can I say that 2b equals to AE? We got another relationship. We want what? Eccentricity we want. Correct? So let's use this area to calculate eccentricity. You know that this question belongs to which category? It belongs to eccentricity wala part. Correct? And for eccentricity, we do what? We used to take help of the relationship. So what is the relationship between AB and E? So this is the relationship. Okay. So I'll be using the same thing, minus b square a square 1 minus e square, correct? Now can I replace b square, wait, look at this. Can I replace b square with, look, I will write b square as a square e square by 4. Okay, I did squaring both sides. So it is minus of a square e square by 4 equals to a square 1 minus e square. So a square gone. Now let's multiply both sides by 4. So minus of e square 4 minus 4e square. So 4e square this side, so it will become 3e square equals 4. So we got e square as 4 by 3. So we will get e as 2 by root 3. Correct? I hope the idea is clear.